Assalamu alaikum. Class 4, yesterday we started exercise 4.5 and done question number 1 and 2. Today we'll start question number 3. Draw a Venn diagram and find the HCF of the following pairs of numbers. What is the first one number? 6 and 9. First we'll find out the HCF and we'll draw a Venn diagram. Open your math notebooks. Mention the exercise on your own 4.5 and write the complete question 3 from book on page 58. The first part of the question 3 is 6 and 9. First we will find the factors of number 6. As 6 is an even number, we can divide it with the number 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 will be divisible by the number itself, 3. 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 6 are 2 into 3. Now we will find out the factors of 9. 9 cannot be divisible by number 9, so we will divide it with the number 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 9 are 3 into 3. Now tell me, what is the highest common factor of both the numbers? Yes, it's number 3. So the highest common factor is 3. Okay, now class 4, let's see how we'll draw a Venn diagram. First, draw two overlapped oval shaped and find out the common region, that is HCF. What is a common region? Number 3. We'll write over here, and factors of 6. The remaining factors of number 6 are, there is only one number, so factor of number 6 is 2 and the factor of number 9 is 3. So the HCF of number 6 and 9 is 3. Class 4, can you do the remaining parts by yourself? Good. Now it's your homework is to do question number 3, part B, C and D, page 58 in your copy from book. Thank you.